This video I will explain what is MRI scan. MRI scan is a medical test that uses strong magnets and radio waves to take clear and detailed pictures of inside of your body. MRI scan helps the doctors to see organs, bones, tissues and blood vessels without any surgery. What does MRI mean? Magnetic uses a powerful magnet. Resonance uses radio waves. Imaging creates pictures. Why MRI scan is done? Doctors use MRI scan to find the cause of the pain or swelling, check for injuries, look for tumors or infections, monitor brain, spine, joints, heart, liver, and more. How MRI scan is done? You lie down on a flat bed. The bed slides into a large tunnel like machine. The machine uses magnets and radio waves to take pictures. It may take 30 to 60 minutes. You need to stay very still so the pictures are clear. Is it painful? No, it does not hurt at all. You may hear loud sounds like knocking or buzzing. This is normal. You may be given earplugs or headphones. Do you get an injection? Sometimes contrast dye is given through small injection to see things more clearly. It is safe for most of the people. Do you need to prepare for MRI scan? Yes. You may need to avoid eating or drinking for few hours. Remove metal items like jewelry, belt or coins. Tell the doctor if you have metal implants, pacemaker or clips, are pregnant or having kidney problems. Is it safe? Yes, MRI is very safe. It does not use radiation like X-rays or CT scans. It is safe even for children and repeated use, unless you have certain metal implants. How do you get the results? A doctor checks the images. You get the report within few hours or a day. Your doctor will explain the result and what to do next.